If you're deciding between CyberGhost VPN and Mullvad VPN, you're probably wondering which one is best for frequent travelers and which one offers the best value for budget-conscious users. Stick around till the end, because I'll break down exactly what each VPN offers, and by the end, you'll know which one suits your needs, whether you're traveling the world or trying to make your dollars stretch further. And stay tuned, because I'll also introduce a powerful alternative that might just be a better fit for what you're looking for. Let's start with CyberGhost VPN, a strong contender for frequent travelers. The first thing you'll notice with CyberGhost is its large server network, spread across 91 countries. That means whether you're in Asia, Europe, or South America, CyberGhost has you covered with a server nearby. Plus, the connection speeds are decent, perfect for streaming, browsing, and even downloading while you're on the go. This makes CyberGhost a solid choice if you need reliable connections no matter where you are. But the price can be a bit steep, especially for longer-term plans. Next thing, let's talk about Mullvad VPN, which prides itself on simplicity and privacy. It's a no-frills, highly secure option that doesn't track your data, doesn't require an email address to sign up, and uses strong encryption to protect your information. Mullvad is more affordable than CyberGhost, and it's got a straightforward pricing structure, just €5 a month, no matter what. This makes it a top pick for bargain hunters looking for a reliable VPN on a budget. However, while Mullvad's privacy and pricing are fantastic, its server network is smaller, with servers in around 40 countries, which can be a bit limiting for travelers. Now, let's move into usability. CyberGhost is really user-friendly, with apps for pretty much every device you can think of, from desktops to smartphones, even smart TVs. It's also great for people who want to set it up and forget about it. That said, some users have complained that CyberGhost apps are a little too cluttered, with a lot of options that might feel overwhelming if you're just looking for a quick connection. Mullvad, on the other hand, is minimalist by design. There are no ads or complex features in the app, and it's refreshingly simple to use. If you want a VPN that just works without any fluff, Mullvad is perfect for you. But if you need more advanced settings or streaming-friendly features like dedicated IP addresses or automatic kill switches, CyberGhost might be the better option for you. The fourth thing to consider is security. Both CyberGhost and Mullvad have strong security protocols like AES, 256 encryption, and a strict no-logs policy. However, Mullvad takes it a step further by letting you pay anonymously with cash or cryptocurrency, adding an extra layer of privacy for those who are really serious about their anonymity. CyberGhost does offer anonymous payment methods too, but the process isn't as seamless as Mullvad's. Still, CyberGhost does offer excellent protection with its secure connection and a solid track record of safeguarding user data. When it comes to streaming, CyberGhost is hands down the winner for frequent travelers who want to access Netflix, BBC iPlayer, or other geo-restricted content. Its server network is optimized for streaming, and you'll have an easier time unblocking content around the world. Mullvad doesn't focus as much on streaming, so if that's a priority, you might want to look elsewhere. The last thing we need to touch on is value for money. For frequent travelers, CyberGhost might feel like it's worth the price if you're looking for speed, security, and ease of use with a global server network. However, if you're after a no-frills VPN that just works without any extras and you want to save some money, Mullvad offers the best value for budget-conscious users. So, which one should you choose? CyberGhost is great for frequent travelers who need fast, secure, and reliable connections across the globe. On the other hand, Mullvad is the better choice for bargain hunters who value simplicity and security at a budget-friendly price. But here's the thing, while both of these VPNs are solid choices, I've personally tried a bunch of options, and I found one that really stands out for the goals mentioned in this video. If you want to check out a superior alternative that ticks all the boxes, better security, more advanced features, and an unbeatable price, click the first link in the description below. You'll get access to the best free trial available, exclusive to my viewers, and trust me, you don't want to miss out. All the VPNs mentioned in this video are good, but if you're looking for the best overall experience, you'll want to try this option instead. Check it out, and happy browsing!